happens 13th, 14th, and 15th of November 2025. I am waiting for you. Please don't miss. Come, we have fun. Come and look at the different mushroom growing techniques we use at Eco-Agric Uganda. See you. It was so much fun having the second African Rising Mushroom Festival happen here. And these are some of the materials that were used for demonstration last year and this year. It's going to be a blast. Please come. Come, we have fun here. As you see, as you look at the different mushroom growing processes that we use at Eco-Agric Uganda. See you on the 13th, 14th, and 15th November 2025. See you then. Without this solar dryer, drying our mushrooms would be very, very hard. I'm inviting you for the third African Rising Mushroom Festival to see how we use this dryer in drying our mushrooms. And look at this. All this has been dried using this sun dryer. Look at it, the whole of it. Please come for the third African Rising Mushroom Festival to see how we were able to dry these mushrooms. And guess what we are going to make? Please come and see what will come out from these dry mushrooms. See you then. Eco-Agric Uganda makes its own spawn using this pressure cooker and this refrigerator. These are so important when we are making our own spawn. And it excites me whenever I come to check on what is in our refrigerator. And yes, it is full. Look at this. Ooh. Look at this. Yeah, so look at what is in our refrigerator. This is what is in our refrigerator, and this is how it is. Please, I invite you for the third African Rising Mushroom Festival, where we will be demonstrating how we make our own spawn and our own liquid culture. See you then, November 13th, 14th, and 15th, 2025. See you, the third African Rising Mushroom Festival. This is our dark room, and this is where we are. It is so amazing to see the mushroom blocks that are going to be given to the women colonizing. So all these are going to be given to the women. And because of you and your support, we are able to make these mushroom blocks and give them to the women. However, it's too hot. We need to wait for some rains to come so that we are able to give out these mushroom blocks to the women. They are not the only ones. We also have these ones here. And yes, a very big thank you to Ted Anderson, Flash Crusher, for the grow bags he sent us. They are really important in helping us get bulk grain spawn. So this is where we are. Look at all this. Look at all this. Yeah? Look at all this. Lovely. Mushroom growing is one of the best online businesses you can take up or you can think about. It can be done through conducting trainings. Please reach out to see how you can take it up as an online business. Here where I'm standing, this produce was produced by the women who are involved in mushroom growing as a source of income. I can never hide my excitement seeing how much has been harvested by these women. Look at all this. All this is soya bean. All this is soya bean, and it is not only that. There is also this one here. So all this and all that is soya bean. I always told you that our training center doubles as a store, a collecting center, and at the same time, it's where we conduct trainings from. So I'm glad we have space where we can keep farmers' produce. Let's go and look at the maize that they produced. I can never hide my excitement. Look at the maize that has been produced by the farmers. So this sack here burst when we brought this maize here. So what we are going to do is to ensure that we collect all this and put it back into another bag. And by the way, look at the weighing scale that we always use while buying farmers' produce. And we also have a moisture meter that always measures the amount of moisture into the produce to ensure that it doesn't get spoiled. It's not only this, we have also this. All this here is maize produced by the farmers. Woo, this is so lovely. Look at this. It's so lovely because of you and your support. Our farmers involved in mushroom growing are advancing every day, growing maize and growing soybean. And after that, the plant wastes are used in mushroom growing. Thank you for making this happen. Yeah? The high temperatures we are experiencing have greatly reduced on our mushroom production. So all the mushrooms that are being produced are being sold off because they are not much. And because of that, this is the first period that our refrigerator is empty. And guess what is here? Drinking water. So we have some drinking water here. Let me check whether it's working. Woo! Look at that. So it is still working and we are just waiting for the rains to start and we'll be able to bulk mushrooms again.